Why? My new Amazon seller account suspended after registration. So, if you have just created a new Amazon seller account and you are all pumped up to start selling and make money on Amazon, and then just within few minutes you receive an email from Amazon that your account is suspended, and all your enthusiasm and confidence go down. If this happened with you, then stay tuned because I am going to show you all the reasons why your Amazon new account is suspended. I am Sanya and I have been selling on Amazon FBA for about 5 years and more now. Throughout my journey, I have had many successes, and with success, is something a lot of people don't talk about is obviously the failures that really come along. I'm going to take all those experiences and also the experiences of my students that are 6 and 7 figure sellers as well now, and I'm going to put them all into my videos. So if you are looking to start an Amazon FBA journey, or you have just started and you don't really know everything, then my videos are definitely gonna be for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and learn with me right now. After watching this video, you will know exactly reasons to avoid when you are making a new Amazon Seller Center account. Guys, I will be 100% genuine with you as I truly care for you, and I want you to take this pain of suspension away from you right away. So without further delay, let's get to it. Amazon is getting pretty strict for new sellers onto their platform. It is sometimes disheartening when you first sign up and you are all excited, and the next thing you know, you are stuck and you cannot do anything and you cannot sell your products. Sellers who have been suspended often get frustrated with the fact that they can't get any support and they are alone. There is literally no one out there to pick up their phone and speak to them to resolve their issue. For that reason, it may sometimes take weeks or months for sellers to get reinstated. I'll be sharing all the reasons that will explain why Amazon seller account suspended right after opening. If you want to know about the Amazon seller account required documents, then do check on my video here. I will also give the link in the description below, so you make sure you go and first check that. Number one, guys, is you will need to provide valid credit card and not a debit card. They do not accept debit cards. So if you are using a debit card, this could be one of the reasons why your account has been suspended straight away. Also make sure it should not be expired. You need a credit card for information in charge methods and to deposit funds in your account. It is not required for customer claims or chargebacks. Next up is you need to provide them with a utility bill. They want to confirm your details. Water bill, gas bill, electricity or internet bill can be used. However, these days they do not accept phone bills or cell phone bills. So do not use that. Never use any information from a friend or relative. All the documents must be from you and you alone. Before we move further, please let me know in the comments below your reasons of Amazon seller account suspension, and I will try to solve it for you as soon as possible. If you want to know the exact step-by-step Amazon seller identity verification process, then do check my video here. I will also give a link in the description down below. Number 3. Next reason is that sellers often forget to check the accepted countries by Amazon. To be eligible to sell on Amazon, you need to be resident of one of the accepted countries by Amazon. Check the link in the description down below for accepted countries. If your country is not included in the list, you will not be able to sell on Amazon, as you need to have the details according to the accepted country. Number 4. So guys, next is a bank statement. This is to verify your information. If you have a new bank account that you want to use to sell on Amazon, then sometimes Amazon can take this being suspicious, and it could be one of the reasons to suspect your account. Therefore, you will have to explain to them the situation. The bank statement must be from your personal bank account and again must match all information during registration in your Amazon seller account. The statement must include the bank's name, your name, address, and dated within the past 90 days. You are permitted to black out the account number and the monetary values. The bank account you open up should be USD online seller bank account, as you need to receive the funds in USD. Again guys, for detailed Amazon seller account required documents, do check out my video here. I will also give the link in the description down below so you can check it out. I cannot stress much on this that all documents submitted must be identical, all the information that you entered. Check for any difference in spelling and different numbers between information entered in your Amazon seller account, and all the documents you submit must have the same name, address, city, province, state, country or zip code, telephone number, email address, and the tax information or VAT. Guys, if you are liking my content, then please subscribe to my channel and do check the description down below for all the other useful videos and cheat sheets I have for you only. If you register to sell on Amazon.com from a country outside of the United States, there are important steps you must take before you begin selling. In order to be paid, you need to provide a bank account in a country supported by Amazon. Currently, they support bank accounts in Australia, Canada, Eurozone, Hong Kong, India, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Number 2, you must accurately state the shipping from country in your Amazon.com seller profile for display to customers. Number 3, products must be listed in US dollars. All customer-facing content and communication must be in American English. You should understand the laws that apply to you as a seller and only list, sell and export products that comply with those rules. Guys, do check my video here on how to sell on Amazon from outside US here, in which I will provide the complete information. I will also leave the link in the description below. So make sure you check that first because it's very useful for you. Sometimes Amazon seller account is suspended due to related account. You can always appeal against it. People were accused of having more than one account and they really don't have more than one account. The most important thing is to identify the possible causes of that. Maybe you used a public or shared Wi-Fi, or maybe your laptop is under other Amazon sellers who could be using the same IP address. Explain to Amazon and make a professional response and tell them the exact root cause. Let me tell you an example. One of my students bought a second-hand laptop and it was of a former Amazon seller. She got suspended and then we both investigated and found out the reason. I advised her to change the laptop and write an email to Amazon regarding this issue. Then it was really solved for her. Do check my video here on Amazon seller account appeal, in which I provided the Amazon seller account suspended appeal template that will help you to get your suspended Amazon account reinstated in no time. I will leave the link in the description below also. Most of the time people ask me that my Amazon account suspended, can I make a new one? The answer is you can't. You can't make a new account after your original account was suspended by Amazon. But guys, I hope I answered your questions that why was my account suspended immediately after registration. I hope you can get your Amazon seller account very soon because I know it's a very stressful situation to be in. And believe me, I have seen many students. If you liked it, I would appreciate it if you could give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any question, be sure to ask them in the comment section below and I will answer that for you. And if you would like to start an Amazon FBA journey step by step, but you don't know how, then you should download Amazon free cheat sheet and you will find a link in the description down below. So take that amazing life-changing cheat sheet in this video description below. So guys, good luck and I will see you in the next video here.